2019 Buick Cascada. With less than 48,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, heated rear seats, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat, convertible soft top. This is a top-rated dealer. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.